Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in the pet shop. Well, my grandma Mary's pet shop. So I'm going to show you all the reptiles. If you're afraid of reptiles, don't be. Most of them are nice. Some, I don't even know, because one of them doesn't even move. But he's still alive. And we're going to keep him for last. So let me flip the camera. Here's the Enchi Vanilla Ball Python, $120 female. Look, you can see his little head, her little head bugging out. Here's a regular ball python. See, like his head sticking out. I don't know if it's male or female, it doesn't say. We're gonna save another one for last too. Here's the Tokay gecko. The Tokay, $35. 36. Here he is. Here's the Tokay gecko. Here's the mountain horned lizard. He's over there. See him? Here is the leopard gecko. And look, they store all their food back in their tail. So that's why his tail is so fat. And now we have a word from our sponsor. Okay, over here we have nothing. Strawberry Pac-Man frog. Yeah,
it's actually in the mulch.
Yeah, he hides in the mulch, so he looks like he's not there. Bearded dragon. Boom, double bearded dragons.
Can you show the tortoise yet?
Can you not?
Hey, show him Sheldon.
Oh yeah, Sheldon. A word from our sponsor. Tarantula. Here's the baby fancy geckos. There they are. Look at how fat his tail is. Up here, I don't even know what's over there.
I think it's
Hairy-legged.
I can't see.
Tarantula.
Too short for that.
So here's the male chameleons, $125 each. There's one of them, the bright colored, and then there's the camouflaged one. Comment down below if you can see it. What else do we have, Briar? What's that?
He's dead.
That needs to be concerned. Asian black forest scorpion. He's back there.
I have one of those at my house. It's right there.
There. Look at all these green
Animals.
lizards.
Let's call them lizards.
Yeah, let's just call them lizards. Here's the iguana.
Regular iguanas.
See, he's back there. But my grandma's, she used to have one, and it was as big as this cage.
Are you going to show them the vine snake?
I don't even know where the frick the vine snake is.
It's the same spot. Its head.
Right there.
What?
Put the camera up there. Right there. See? It's staring at us. See, Grace? Right here.
Oh, it's right there, yeah.
I don't see it. I'm too short.
It's right there.
Oh, I see it. He's looking at us.
I know, with his little slanty Asian
Where's his
eyes.
meal? Where's his meal? He's here in his second job. Nothing's in that cage. Nothing. Nothing's in that cage.
Are you sure?
Let's show him the tortoise.
Here's the tortoise, the Russian tortoise.
Oh, yeah, I have more animals here.
Oh yeah, here's the crickets for the food. Now over here is the fish,
Side neck turtle. Right there in the back.
African side-neck turtle. Oh yeah, I've seen.
Are you going to show the video?
Huh? Yeah, we're underwater, guys. Blub.
Okay.
Of water. Okay, is there? Oh yeah, I have one of these. They're awesome. Come down to the shop. Here's the two ferrets. Wait, where'd the other one go? Oh, he's right over there.
Well, I got
Hi guys.
Briar,
Hi guys.
Grayson's here, and his other grandma that lives across the street
Hi guys.
is here with me. They're
Hi
checking
guys.
everything out. Follow me.
Hi. How's it like to be on YouTube? What is he? What are they? That's what they are? I don't know what they are.
We'll need to hurry.
I don't know
before
how to
the
pronounce
will
that.
be at the house.
So here's all the fish.
The betas.
Show beta. And
This is the play.
yeah, not for sale. This is not for sale.
Oh, we got these birds.
Oh yeah, we got little parrots. They've been nipping at this thing, I think.
Parrot.
Hey guys.
Let's call them parrot.
Yeah, they're parrots.
We call them parrot.
Hi guys. How's it like to be on
Up
YouTube?
there.
What are they? This.
It's too short to read it.
Me too, but all you animals are on YouTube. Yeah, but
Come down to the shop. It's awesome.
trust me. You don't do the ending. I do the ending. Bye.